The latest changes to conditional formatting in Excel for the web make it easier than ever to manage, create, or edit. To manage rules, select Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. To see all rules for the worksheet, change Selection to Manage Rules in this sheet. Hover over a rule to see what it refers to. Need to edit a rule? Select the rule and select Edit. For this example, it's unclear what the arrows mean. Choose a new set of icons that make more sense and select Done. Need to create a new rule? You can still use the options in the Conditional Formatting menu, or select New Rule in the Conditional Formatting pane. Choose the range the rule applies to. Choose the rule type. For this example, we'll showcase the new formula rule. Type in your formula. Choose how you want the cells to be formatted, and select Done.